Hi guys, it's time for another art supply haul and review. So I went to Dollar Tree and Goodwill recently, so I'll show you what I got. So this is from Dollar Tree. It's the Marvi Uchida double-ended marker. One end is the brush tip and the other end is the extra fine tip. So this is good for drawing, lettering, journaling, and it's made in Japan. And I know on the official Uchida website, these sell for like $2.59 each, and on the Jet Pens website they sell for $2.25 each. So getting one for $1 plus tax, that's a pretty good deal, I think. And they had other colors at Dollar Tree, but I just got the light cool gray and the black. The other thing I got from Dollar Tree is this Liquid Mark hand lettering pens. It comes in fine and chisel, and these are made in the USA. And then these last two are also from Dollar Tree. Ink Color Flow 0.5mm nib black ink felt tip pens. Pack of 3 for $1 plus tax. Then Ink R2 Roller 0.7mm nib black ink 2 roller ball pens, $1 plus tax. And then these 3 boxes, I thought these were just regular pencils, but when I opened it up, it's actually Prismacolor colored pencils, and this is the true blue color, and it was only 80 cents at Goodwill, so pretty good buy. And then this one is like a mix of Faber-Castell American No. 2 pencils and the Prismacolor Kohl Erase blue pencil. So Kohl Erase is color pencils that's erasable, so it has a eraser at the end. And the last box from Goodwill is also a mix. So same thing, Faber-Castell American No. 2. And these are the Prismacolor Kohl Erase Carmine Red. Oh, and the cool thing about these pencils is that these are made in the USA. And I know Prismacolor pencils aren't made in America anymore, so I guess these are pretty old. Alright, so let's test these guys out and see what we can make. Okay, I'm gonna test out the pencils first, so let's do the Faber-Castell American No. 2. So these, so this pencil isn't very soft. Let me see how dark it can get. And the eraser. Yeah, the eraser's not very soft either. It's kind of dragging the graphite around. Well, I guess it works. Alright, next up is the Prismacolor Kohl Erase Carmine Red. And let's see how erasable this is. Okay, yeah, works. And then the Prismacolor Kohl Erase Blue. Okay. Then the last one is the Prismacolor True Blue. Okay, this is a lot more pigmented than the Kohl Erase pencils. and then I'm just gonna see if this erases as well. Okay, so it does, huh? Alright, next up are the pens from Dollar Tree. Okay, now I'm going to try out the Dollar Tree pens and markers. So I'll start with the Marvi Uchida Le Plume to light cool gray color. Okay, so that's really light. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try the other tip, the fine liner. Alright, now let's try the black one from the same brand. And the fine liner. Next up is the Liquid Mark hand lettering pen, the chisel tip. I'll try this one first. Okay. Okay, so I need to work on my calligraphy, but there you go. And then the hand lettering fine tip. Okay, and then let's try the ink brand Color Flow pen, 0.5mm nib. This is kind of like the Sakura Micron pen. I kind of like this. And then, last but not least, is the Ink R2 Rollerball pen. It's very nice and smooth. Alright, so let's see if I can draw something using these materials. So at first I didn't know what to draw. I know I wanted to use red, blue, black, and white, and then I thought, hey, I should draw one of those Smurf characters because they have blue skin. So I decided to draw Papa Smurf. And it was kind of a challenge because I normally draw in a manga/anime style rather than in a Western cartoon style. So it took me a while, but I think it looks okay. For the drawing, I just used a number 2 Ticonderoga pencil, and then I inked it using the Dollar Tree Ink Color Flow pen. After inking, I erased the pencil drawing underneath using a kneaded eraser. I inked it again using the R2 rollerball pen to make the lines thicker. After that, I started coloring the drawing using the Prismacolor True Blue colored pencil for the skin. I used the Prismacolor Kohl Erase Carmine Red pencil for the hat and pants. I used the Prismacolor Kohl Erase Blue pencil to add some shading to the skin, and used the Le Plume to light cool gray for some shadows on the beard. So it's not my best work, but you can tell it's Papa Smurf, right? Okay, so would I recommend these products? Yes, I did like all of them. The only thing is I wasn't too impressed with the Faber-Castell American pencil. And this ink color flow pen, I know I said it was similar to the Sakura Micron pen, but I did test this out with water and it's actually not waterproof, so keep that in mind. And these Liquid Mark hand lettering pens, it says on the package that they're black ink, but the ink is actually more of a dark gray. And Prismacolors are usually good quality, so of course I would recommend that. Yeah, so definitely get them if you get the chance, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.